the points and state whether they are collinear. So, -3, -3, -1, -2, and 1, -1. Remember, collinear means I can connect them with a straight path. And so, yes, they are collinear. And so the answer to that one is collinear. Because, yes, I can connect them with a straight path. All right. 4. 4A. Describe the statement as true or false. Does not want to let me scroll. Okay. CB is parallel to HI. CB is parallel to HI. So parallel lines are coplanar lines that do not intersect. Those are not coplanar. Those are not in the same plane. I could not put a plane through those. So you're right, those are not parallel, they're skew. So that's why that one is false. 4C. CF is parallel to AJ. CF and AJ. If you notice, those lines are going in the same direction, but they're in different parts of the figure, so they're never going to intersect. They're going in the same direction, but they're never going to intersect. So those are parallel lines. That one is true. Parallel lines have to be coplanar, so you're like, well, what plane are they in? Well, I could draw a plane and connect them like this, a flat surface. You could draw a flat surface shooting through your figure, and it would totally work. Why do we connect those dots? Oh, you don't connect... You connect C to F because it's a line, and you connect A to J because it's a line. But the only reason I connected them with my green pin was to show you that they're coplanar. You don't have to connect them like that. I just wanted to show you that they're coplanar. All right? E. AE and GF are skew lines. So, could I put a flat surface through those? Are those coplanar? And even though the plane is not drawn, doesn't mean the plane doesn't exist. There is a flat surface. There is a plane that I could connect these two. It's just that the plane is going diagonally through the figure. So you really have to be able to visualize these things sometimes. Okay? So that one is skew, false. All right, number 5D. B, C, D, and E are coplanar. This was probably the hardest question on your homework. You found it. That was the hardest question on your homework. And we are going to talk more about that in today's lesson. But let me tell you why this one is true. And another one just like this could be false. Why did this one make the cut and not the other one? So let me tell you why. The reason is because B, C, and D are in a row. They're collinear. They're lined up. So they are in this plane, but that's not the only plane that they're in together. I could pivot that plane, and I could draw a separate plane, and I could go grab E if I wanted to. So I could do this, I could go up here, I could grab E, and look at that green plane. Because they're in a row, I can pivot the plane, and I can rise up, and I can go grab point E. And like I said, we're going to talk about that more in our lesson today. 5E. A, B, and F are coplanar. That one's also true, and we're going to talk about today why that one's true.